Welcome back, my dear beautiful friend. Wondering what processor power your Android phone? In this 2026 guide, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to check your device processor without any confusion. Whether you are comparing performance, checking compatibility, or simply curious, this quick tutorial has everything you need to know before making your next tech decision. Let's get started. First of all, install any third-party app such as Device Info. So open the Play Store, use the search bar. Here you can type Device Info and search it. After you found the app, tap to install and wait to complete the process. I have already installed the app. After the app is installed complete, simply hit the open button. In the Device Info app menu, you can go to the dashboard section. Here scroll down again, look for the CPU option, tap on it, and you can see your current processor listed there. For example, my processor name is Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 1X Cortex A710. Your processor name is here available there, and that's it. Enjoy this video, subscribe and join our community for reliable Android tutorials, helpful smartphone tips and fresh tech content every single day.